Hello and welcome to the PayRules app tutorial series from KlinKode. You can hide, sort, or rename payment methods using PayRules. In this video, we will show you how to hide cash on delivery or any payment methods when a discount is applied using the discount status condition in Shopify. Let's open the PayRules app. Click the Create Rule button. For this example, we will skip the Describe the rule you want to create box and use Search and Select Combination manually. Let's find the discount status condition. Then click on Select this combinations where it exists. Now click on the Add a Condition button. Then scroll through the list and select Discount Status. Now we choose Discount is applied here. Then set a name for the rule. Go to Add Payment Method and add the payment method you want to hide. We will add Cash on Delivery and Alipay. Alipay payment method is not available in this list, so we will simply write the payment name manually like Alipay and click on Add Alipay option. Now click the Save button to apply your rule. This means the Cash on Delivery and Alipay will be hidden if the customer applies any discount in their cart. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, Cash on Delivery and Alipay is visible because no discount has been applied yet. Now let's apply a discount on the checkout page and check again. Yes, the Cash on Delivery and Alipay is not visible anymore. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!